ABCD authors. Another paper, DEF authors. Then this one and this one need to go alphabetically. Again, same author, ABCD, another ABCD.
Year wise.
2000, 2001.
Right. Any other?
Paper, if you refer a paper, which itself has referred something else.
You should write original reference.
So how deep do we go? Suddenly it's like going.
No, I haven't seen anyone going deeper than one level.
One level.
So just
Hey, okay, so sometimes, for example, I was looking for there's a famous quote by Charles Eames. So basically design is a goal-driven problem-solving activity, blah, blah, blah. I wanted to find out, where is the reference for this? I know it's Charles Eames, but where is it from? So I didn't find it anywhere. So finally on some website I found. So I did Eames and then that website. But that's like really only for such historical things and so on. Usually you'll find the first reference. Most of the times. Okay? Okay, so I had to advertise a conference, but before that, I wanted to talk about I'm going to advertise the conference, but I'm going to talk about actually the different ways or different kinds of submissions that can be happening. Now, I'm particularly talking about this conference, but in many cases it applies to many others. So, since we are sort of running short of time, I'm not going to talk about my papers. I got some of my papers, and 2 papers I got from somewhere else. Or only one. One paper I got maybe somebody else's. So I thought it was not a good idea to talk about only our papers. So see, I got one more paper from somebody else. It's a very nice paper. You should read. So what we should do a quiz and then give this away as paper? No. Okay. So if you want, you can take a look. One of the things that I'm going to talk about this design case studies and paper. So let me do that first and then. Okay, so that's our website in case you have not seen, and Girish is the webmaster, any mistakes are his, everything else is mine. So, yeah. And design is by Santosh. So, although he's still not happy about the colors and the logo and so on. Yes, we are trying to fix. Okay, so on the right hand side over here, you will find, and that's the thing that I wanted to talk about right now, different categories for submission. I just wanted to go through those different. So what happens in a typical conference?